Hey YouTubers, it's Carbines here again. Gonna do a second of two on the hobby box break. Once again, these boxes came from Chris over at Cards Infinity. He does a lot of the pack openings for a lot of his customers online, but I bought a couple boxes from him and thought I'd give him a shout out. What's going on? First hobby box I did today had a pretty good hit. Wasn't too excited about the Gypsy Queen signature. I don't know if that really counts as one of the signatures per se, but I got one of those. Got a few others in that box. I believe stamp card was one that came from it, Melina. I've got so many hits here that I can't remember what's from what. But yeah, it was a decent one. The video's up there. Quite a few pulls. A leather mini came out of there. Quite a few paper frames were in that. Alright. As with always, a lot of these cards you'll see show up on eBay under the same name as you see here on YouTube. Carbines, C-A-R-R-B-E-A-N-Z. And I'll put a link too as well. So if you guys see anything you want, unless I say it's for my PC. Generally it's Nolan Ryan stuff that goes to my PC. Sometimes Ricky Henderson stuff. So I'm an old school Ryan fan. I used to watch him on TV. Alright, let's see. For the mini box, we've got Rhymes, Strasburg, Fox, Braun, Jones, and Zito. And for the three great ones, home run heroes and future stars, we've got Hornsby, Gloss, and Chapman, which is a good little future star, and the alternate photo, Gary Carter. And those will all be going up. None of those I need. The only things I collect on the minis are the black, the solid black ones, and the some of the printing plates. Those 101s are really cool, the solid black printing plates. Alright, let's get to opening this stuff. Pack number one. And let's see. Nothing. Paper's in it. I really don't go through the base cards, no big deal. Duke Snyder, number 37. Hadn't seen one of those yet. It's sharp. And there's a Weaver mini, redback, and a SP Davis for the Mets. I think I'm just gonna put all the SPs up on. I'm just making a base set for myself. I'm not gonna go all the way through the minis. I mean through the SPs and make a set as well. Kemp, regular blackback. Separate these out too. Shift these over. Checklist. Something else I noticed. Checklists in hobby box. I mean, nobody cares about checklists, but checklists in a hobby box are red text, and checklists in retail are black. Just something I noticed. No idea why they're different, but they are. No signatures or anything. Is that James Lonnie? Regular. Blackback. Phillies. And in this pack. Alright, Abreu. One for my collection. And didn't check, make sure it wasn't a signature. Those can slip by you if you're not paying attention. No sigs. And bench. Or Fox. Nothing special in the base cards. Mini is Johnny Damon, the Rays. Dummy and bench. Heroes, home run heroes. Another paper, I believe. Yep. Okay, that's weird. It looks like clippings from the card, from one of the cards in there. Johnny Mize, number 15 of 9.99. Great looking shot. I like that. And Redback Heron. And another SP. No hits yet. I was short a signature on the first box, so that'll definitely be sent in at Topps. Hey, we got a hit. Alright, and it's a framed relic. Do the slow-mo anticipation of what it is. Bernie Williams is the mini blackback. And let's see if we can guess. That's Kemp of the Dodgers. So it's the first hit. Posey and checklist. So that's hit number 1. Another paper. Doing good on the ratio on papers. Frank Robinson. I believe I already have one, but still, the second one. Number 537 of 9.99. Chamberlain, blackback. And there's another SP. Yeah, I'm going to have a lot of SPs listed pretty soon on eBay. Just takes time to get pictures of them, and I like to photograph mine rather than scan them. I've got a pretty decent camera. Alright, who we got? Quentin, blackback. Is there dummy? Alright. No signature or anything. Sophia Riviera for the Yankees, number 30 of 99. That'll be going on the Bay. There's another paper in here. Adrian Gonzalez, number 595 of 9.99. Mathewson, blackback. And the Babe. This one's actually a pretty popular card. It fetches decent price. It's the alternative photo in a Red Sox uniform. I wonder if the Lightning are winning. Something in here, I bet. No? Figured there'd be a signature in that one. McGee, blackback, mini, checklist. Future Stars, dummy. Next pack. Anything special? Gypsy Queen. Yeah, you can tell I'm excited about Gypsy Queens. Is that Ether? Mini, blackback. Dummy checklist. Nothing special in there. Yeah, all I know is those Gypsy Queens better not be taking the place of inserts. No signature. It's a rookie card. Bob Gibson, redback. That's decent. Tossing. Don't have a whole lot of packs left to make up. I've got 3 hits to go. Cecil, signature right there. So that's one of the hits. And Maven, blackback, mini. Hornsby on the Heroes. So that's 2 hits down. 2 to go. I'd like to see a stamp for a good player. Maybe a there's another black. Chris Johnson, nice little blackback, or a black border mini. Nothing else. Bruce, dummy, and great ones. Let's see. Nothing special in here. Signature, no, yeah, nope. Santana, blackback. Lou Gehrig, dummy. Paper in this one. And the paper is nice. Pujols, number 769 of 999. That fetch is pretty good. I think I've seen one that's just recently ending in like 11. Roy Oswalt, blackback, and SP Morrow. Open this up. I don't think anything special. Another Gypsy. I'm really not liking the Gypsies. That's the reason why I wasn't too hot on probably Allen Ginter this year. Just too much random stuff in it that doesn't have to do with baseball. I mean, I'm a history buff. It's my major and everything, but I don't really want my history mixed in with my sports enthusiasm. And we got a Rollins blackback dummy. I think that's a new one I need. Gibson, one of the great ones. 4 packs to go. 2 hits short on this box. It's a hit. We'll see what it is. Howard, I believe. Yep. It's not bad. That's in actually, I think, Group 3. So it's one of the harder to get game-used jerseys. If y'all aren't aware, there's 3 levels of game-used jerseys. I think the stats are on the back of the box. If you look here, this shows, yeah, Gypsy Queen autographs. You have Relics group and Mini Relics group. And, yeah, Group C is the harder one to get. And you've got Cano, Howard, Molina, Pedroia, and Scott Rowland. So in the Relic cards group, Group C is the hardest to get. So this is actually the one of the ones that are, it's a, you know, the ratio is a lot harder to get than the other ones. So that's pretty good. And a blackback Bruce and Gehrig. Alright, so we're short a signature still. And that's the one that seems that everybody's been shorted on. Let's see here. It's Hellickson rookie card. Tulowitzki, number 595 of 999. And Michael Viles. Sorry about these names, guys. I have not been in baseball. It's been a while since I've collected, so I've got to catch up with a lot of the names. Put me in the 80s and I can still ramble off everybody's name. Let's see. Nothing in that one. Yeah, it looks like I'm going to be getting another redemption from Topps for them making up for shorting everybody on these boxes, which I don't hold any ill will towards them, but it happens. Alright, last pack. No signature. Derek Jeter, Popular Mini, and Thurman Munson. Alright, as I said, and that Jeter is a redback, so it's a pretty good one. I'll be getting a lot of this stuff on eBay in the coming week. If you see anything specific that you want to hit me up on, just drop me a message on YouTube, and I'll get back to you. Alright, later.